that the weight is in your head, not your tummy. Okay, you have to do the things that you want to do in your life and to make you fit. Buckle up for our adventures. In this video, we weave back the layers of weight gain, mysterious, exposing the unexpected connections between hormones, food choices, and even your daily routine. Brace yourself for a mind-bending journey that will leave you questioning everything thought you knew about those extra inches. Weight gain can lead to various problems, affecting both physical health and mental being. When the body accumulates excess fat, it can strain organs, joints, and body functions, causing a range of health issues. There are 10 health problems. Number 1. Cardiovascular issues. Increased weight gain elevates blood pressure, cholesterol level, and risk of heart diseases, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. Number 2. Diabetes. Excessive weight gain can result in insulin resistance, leading to the development of type 2 diabetes, a condition that affects the body's ability to regulate. Number 3. Joint pain and musculoskeletal problems. Carrying extra weight can put an immense strain on joints, leading to conditions like osteoarthritis and joint pains, particularly in weak areas like knees and hips. Number 4 is the sleep apnea. Weight gain contributes to obstructive sleep apnea, a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, causing interrupted sleep and fatigue. Number 5. Digestive issues. Obesity is linked to digestive problems such as gallstones, fatty liver disease, and acid reflux. Number 6 is increased cancer risk. Several types of cancers, including breast cancer, colon, and kidney cancers, have been associated with obesity. Number 7 is mental health problems. Low self-esteem and body image issues. Weight gain can impact self-perception, leading to low self-esteem, body dissatisfaction, and even depression or anxiety. Number 8 is social stigma and discrimination. There are societal biases and discrimination. Individuals with excess weight, leading to social isolation and negative effects on mental health. Eating disorders. Some people might develop unhealthy relationships with food, leading to binge eating and other eating disorders as a result of weight. Number 9 is reproductive issues. In women, weight gain can lead to hormonal imbalance, irregular menstrual cycle, infertility, and complications during pregnancy. Number 10 is psychological disorders. Obesity can contribute to mental health conditions such as depression, anxiety, and body images, affecting overall well-being. Conclusion is why weight gain itself isn't the direct cause of health problems. It significantly increases the risk of various complications. Addressing weight gain through hormone or healthy lifestyle choices, seeking support when needed, and maintaining a balanced approach to well-being is crucial for minimizing those associated problems and promote overall health. Stay happy, stay healthy. See you soon.